Hey everyone, welcome back to MITECKEE. In this video, we are going to learn how to chroma key or removing the green screen inside Movavi. So without any further ado, let's begin the video. So we are inside Movavi, as you can see. Let me just drag and drop my file or video inside Movavi. So this is a green screen of a virus I downloaded from the net. Let me just adjust my video accordingly. So here is my video, and drag the green screen one on the top of the layer on which you want that to be overlaid, something like this. Okay, now let's adjust it according to the video. Now go in tools and then chroma key. Now pick the eyedropper tool and select the object. In theory you should select the green from the video, but it don't works. Sometimes you can do that too. If selecting the green doesn't work, click the object. Now go in overlay by right clicking and then overlay it according to your own will, I guess, and then play it. It will be played as usual. You can see. Let me just adjust it a bit. So we can make this video more good, I guess, by creating keyframes of the virus, I guess, or the video, but that is for a much more advanced level, which we will learn later in future. But for now, this is how to chroma key inside Movavi. So that's from my side. Thank you and goodbye.